wanna turn Windows 11 into Windows XP, and stick around if you wanna know how to do it yourself. Hi friends, today I'm here with another tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make Windows 11 look and feel like Windows XP. Yes, let's make Windows 11 look like the OS that's 20 years older than it. And without further ado, let's go. First of all, let's create a restore point. That's in case if our system goes wrong, And now, choose your drive, click on configure. We want to turn on the system protection, and we'll just give it some size that we want, and click on apply. Click on OK, and now we want to click on create and give it a name, which is Windows 11, and let it create. Once this is done, click on close and then click on OK. Now open up the folder, and these are all the files that we will need for today's video. We will need OpenShell, Retrobar, WinArrow Tweaker, Windows Blinds 11, Windows XP Wallpaper Pack, and Windows XP Start Menu Skin. And first I'm going to extract WinArrow Tweaker and run the setup. Now click on next. I'm going to choose portable mode and click on next. We'll agree to the license terms. Click on next, and I'm going to, here's the location where it's going to extract the files. I'm going to extract it on my desktop, and click on extract files and finish. Here is our folder, and I'm going to run the executable. Agree to the license terms. Click on yes. And now we want to go under the Windows 11 tab, and we want to choose the taskbar size to small, and we'll restart Explorer. And we can close WinArrow Tweaker. Now I'm going to open up the folder, and now let's install OpenShell. Now I'm going to click on next. We want to agree to the license terms, then click on next. I'm going to disable the classic IE, and disable Classic Explorer. Click on next and install it. While this is installing, let's extract Start Menu Skin. Once this is done, let's open up the folder. We want to copy the skin over to C, Program Files, and find OpenShell skins, and we'll just paste it right here. The start menu won't appear in here, and so we can open it up. We need to hit Retrobar. And if you run the executable, you will see that an error will appear. Yes, we'll just now load this. The net desktop runtime 6.0 or higher. We'll let it download and install it, because and now we want to open it. install it. run Retrobar, it's gonna run without any issues. And now if we open up, we'll have our start menu. Let's just choose it right now. And now we have this our start menu, and now we'll right click the taskbar and go to properties. Want to choose the Windows XP Blue, which is our Windows XP style. We have also some themes in here, like the classic, like the embedded from POS Ready. We have olive green. I'm going to go with the default one. And now we'll go to under Retrobar and automatically start at logon. And we have ourselves Windows XP like taskbar. And now let's get window blinds installed. We'll tweak the theme here to make a Luna theme. Now we want to agree to the license terms and click on next. And click on next. I'm sure we're going to choose the themes that we want to install. I will only leave the Luna theme here because that's enough. And I'm going to click on next and install it. Alright, so this will ask us to enter a product key, purchase one, or start a 30-day trial. I'm going to start a 30-day trial because I'm not going. And now we have activated our 30-day trial, and we're going to choose the Luna style, and we're going to apply the style to the desktop. I'm going to click on yes. And here we go, we have the Luna Windows XP like theme, which we're almost done now, and we're going to extract our wallpaper pack. For this you'll need 7-zip. And I'm going to open it up. I'm going to find the wallpaper. I'm going to use the Bliss wallpaper. I'm going to set it as my desktop background. And we have one more thing, and that's about the cursors. For that, right click on your desktop, go to personalize. You want to go to the themes tab and go to mouse cursor. And in order for this to work, you must have a valid Windows license. And there we go, we are done. What do you think? Is it good? And this actually looks kind of cool. I like Windows XP a lot, and this looks really good. We have like a start menu, we have the taskbar, we have the theme which we did not have in previous customization videos, and we have that too. What do you think? And yeah, that was all for today's video. If this helped, make sure you have liked this video, watch these next videos I'm going to put up on the screen, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.